The New Yam Festival, Iri. Let's dive a little bit into the festivals in Igbo land. In this one, we are talking about the New Yam Festival, which is Iri. The festival is all about celebrating the harvest of yam, which the Igbos consider to be the king of the crops. During this festival, lots of rituals are being performed. Firstly, yams are being offered to the gods or ancestors. After which, the king will eat the yam. He will cut the yam first, eat it, pass the yam to all the cabinets to eat. After that, every other villagers are free to eat the yam that they came with. You are free to either fry your own yam, but mostly it's being roasted. It's mostly roasted yam. So you can eat the roasted yam that you came with. But if you can't eat roasted yam, you can cook it anyhow you want to prepare your yam. It's left for you. You can prepare your yam the way you want, then eat during this festival. There are lots of activities that comes after it. Firstly, we have the masquerade. We have the cultural dance. We also have the wrestling. In fact, it is a festival that you will love to visit every time. As of when it is being performed, it depends on the village. Each village has the time that they perform their New Yam festival. Like my own village, I know about my village, Lille, in Ihan local government, we perform our own every first Saturday in September, every year. It's usually performed during the early stage of the harvest because the festival has to happen before every other villager is allowed to eat yam. So the festival usually comes between August to October because that is the time that is being assumed that yam must have been matured enough for harvest. Every village is allowed to perform theirs whenever the wish is right for them. But New Yam Festival, like I said, is a festival that every Igbo person look forward to because it is always filled with fun. Activities during that period is fun. Let me know in the comment section if you will be trying or if you'll be visiting any village in Igbo land this year for New Yam Festival. Thank you.